Hello everybody, welcome to the demo video of my term project Doodle Roads. This game is about creating roads that can keep up with the demands of a rapidly growing city represented on a grid. With simple commands such as click and drag, it can build complex road systems to support hundreds of cars. When you're playing the game, make sure that you're using a mouse for the best experience, and to run the project, have these files put in the same folder and make sure that you have Pygame module installed in Python. And let's get started. This is the main menu of my game, and there's an options tab where you can change the configuration settings of the game, such as dimensions, car speed, and cars per house, to customize the difficulty of the game and your experience. Press M to return to main menu, and press play to play the game. As you can see, the game randomly generated a car and its house along with a building. That's its destination of the same color. And the goal of this game is to build roads that connects the houses to the buildings. And to build roads, simply click and drag and connect to the desired places. And as you can see, the cars will calculate the shortest path to the destination using the A* algorithm. And when there are more than 3 roads at one intersection, the intersection of the roads will turn into a traffic light system that alternates the traffic. And as you can see, the game will continue to generate new houses of the same color as the existing building, and over a certain amount of time, new buildings will be generated too, and new other colored houses will be generated, and the demands of the house will only go to a building that's the same color. And when you're playing the game, you might want to change the formation of your roads, and to do so, simply just press D and drag to delete any roads that you don't want, and the cars will automatically respond to this change by either returning back to its house or continue to calculate paths back to its house. And on the top left corner, you can see there's a display of the number of rows you have left to draw, and the rows will gradually increase as you play the game. And on the top right corner, there's a score tracker of the current score, and the number is based on how many cars you're supporting in your system currently. And there's also a high score tracker that saves the high score even if you close the game. And when you're playing the game, you can press P to pause and press P again to resume. And to speed up the process, I'll generate more cars. And look, this blue house has more than 10 demands, so game is over. And you can press R to restart, or we can press M to return to main menu. Thanks for watching.